The temperate grassland biome has some of the most fertile soil in the world, along with hundreds of native plants such as coneflowers, sunflowers, and buffalo grass. It is also home to many native animals such as bison, elk, deer, coyote, owls, and eagles. Fires sometimes occur during the spring to burn grass down, which helps the soil become more fertile. The temperate grassland has hot summers and cold winters, with temperatures ranging from -5 to 90 degrees. It gets a moderately low amount of water, with 20 to 35 inches of precipitation per year. This is not that much considering that deserts get 10 inches of precipitation per year. The bison are one of the most important animals in this biome. Their diet is made of grasses and sometimes other vegetation found in the prairies of North America. There used to be 60 million bison roaming the plains until they almost went extinct because of overhunting. Bison can weigh anywhere from 700 to 2,000 pounds. Bison are keystone species because they eat down the grass, which keeps the soil healthy. Coyotes are found all over North America. They hunt for their food, which is small mammals and birds. The feeding territory for one coyote is 1/10 to 24 square miles, depending on the abundance of food. When fully grown, they can weigh between 15 to 45 pounds. They keep the deer population from growing too big, along with eating around 20% of a village's chickens. Elk are the second largest species of deer, only to the moose. They can eat up to 20 pounds of grass and native plants per day and weigh as much as 900 pounds. They are hunted for their enormous antlers and large amounts of meat. They live in huge herds of up to 400 elk. Their job is to eat grass and get eaten by wolves. The black-tailed prairie dog lives in the Great Plains of the United States. They are rodents that eat grass, weeds, and insects. They live underground in places called towns. The largest town was in Texas, with about 400 million prairie dogs covering about 25,000 square miles. They weigh about 1.5 to 3 pounds and aerate the soil to get as many nutrients as possible into the ground. White-tailed deer live essentially everywhere in America. White-tailed deer are crowding out the more native mule deer that are slightly larger. They will eat grass, weeds, smaller vegetation, and almost any type of green plant. They're hunted for their meat and their antlers. Bald eagles are a national symbol of the United States. They have a wingspan of 6 to 8 feet and use those wings to catch fish in the creeks and rivers that are all over the grasslands. And they live mostly in trees. They build huge nests and hold the record for the largest tree nests of any animal. Wild turkeys are the largest North American game bird with a weight of up to 20 pounds. Their wingspan can be up to 5 feet, and they have about 5 to 6,000 feathers. Wild turkeys are omnivores that eat grass, insects, seeds, and nuts. The great horned owl, with its ear-like tufts and yellow eyes, is native to the Americas. They mostly eat small animals such as rabbits, mice, and other birds. However, this powerful predator can conquer birds and mammals even larger than itself, such as osprey. They weigh from 3 to 5 pounds. Coneflower is native to all of North America. It is a perennial, which means that it can live for many years. They can grow to 2 to 5 feet. They live in many different types of soils and are drought tolerant. Many people use them for its powers in immune boosting and well-being. Mature sunflowers don't move at all and only face east. They can grow to be 6 to 10 feet tall. Sunflower's oil is high in vitamin D, A, E, magnesium, copper, and iron. Buffalo grass is native to central North America. It can grow to be 6 to 12 inches. It is eaten by buffalo, pronghorn, and many different animals. Many people now grow it in their lawns since it is low maintenance, drought resistant, and very hardy. This biome has one of the most fertile soils in the whole world. That is because grass grows faster than trees and can put more carbon into the soil. But after the grass grows for a few weeks, it starts to slow down because it is putting its energy into making seeds. That is when the bison or jake comes in and eats the grass down. This restarts the cycle and the grass can grow up quickly again because of the root system. The Indians helped the bison with this by burning the grass. Both the wolves and the Indians helped keep the bison in check. The Indians used every single part of the bison so nothing went to waste. They used the bison for tents, broadheads, clothes, and food. The settlers saw all of the grass and put their cows on it, and they thrived. But some other settlers, named Mr. Park, saw the rich, loamy topsoil and thought they could plough it up and plant in it. The only problem with this was that the farming ruined the root systems and left the dirt sitting there, which caused dust storms. The temperate grassland biome was once one of the largest biomes, but now is one of the smallest.